In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Asana, the 2025 guide. Whether you're migrating a list of tasks or coordinating a significant team project, this step-by-step process will streamline your task management by helping you bring your data into Asana efficiently. First, let's start with preparing your CSV file. It's crucial that your spreadsheet is saved in the .csv format to ensure a smooth transfer. The recommended way to organize your CSV includes important column headers such as task name, which is required, assignee, due date, start date, description, section or column, tags, and priority or custom fields. Keeping your headers clean and simple will prevent any unnecessary formatting issues during the import process. Once your CSV file is ready, we're all set to move to the next step. Now, log into your Asana account using a desktop for the best experience. Navigate to the specific team or project where you plan to import these tasks. Make sure you've chosen the right context so your tasks will seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Next, find and click on the plus new project button and select import, then CSV. This is where the magic happens. You can either drag and drop your prepared CSV file or click on the upload button to select it from your computer. Asana's intelligent system will automatically detect and align your CSV columns with the corresponding Asana fields. At this stage, Asana will display each column from your CSV file. You'll need to match these with the appropriate Asana fields. For instance, map task name to task name, due date to due date, assigned to assignee, and any custom columns to custom fields. Here's a handy tip. You can skip mapping for any columns that aren't necessary for this export, which allows for a cleaner task list in Asana. After mapping, it's time to review and import your data. Click Continue and Asana will present a preview of how your tasks will appear. If everything checks out and looks perfect, hit the Import button. Just like that, your tasks will populate within the new project instantly. With your tasks now in Asana, you can organize and manage them even more effectively. Switch between different task views such as list, board, timeline, or calendar to find the perspective that works best for you and your team. Enhance productivity by adding rules and automations, for example, automatically assigning tasks when they're added. Finally, share your beautifully organized project with your team to begin working collaboratively. By following these simple steps, you've successfully brought your CSV file into Asana, maximizing your workflow efficiency. Remember, a well-prepared CSV and understanding how to map your data are key to a successful import. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has equipped you with all you need to bring your project management to the next level.